Hi everyone, and we're going to do holding a power cord. Yeah, I'll be holding a power cord. Here's my power cord. Yeah, here's my power cord. So I know what you're talking about. So here's my power cord. So love my power cord. That's the thing. Yeah. So I don't know about this. Be right back. Now let's go say hi to my 2-year-olds and dad. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Yep.
Hey.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Adams.
There's the camera.
Hey, hi.
Yep. Hi, Lana.
Hi.
Yeah? Perfect. So I love my new power. I love my power cord on that too. Here it is. So yeah. Here are Dad's shoes. Okay. Here is Dad's shoes. Alright. This is N1. Here are Dad's shoes. Review. Yep. I love Dad's shoes. Don't you get it? Yeah. So I don't even like this, but yeah. Here's a power cord I'm holding on to. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah. So a power cord is like this. Yeah, even much better. So look at that. I can stretch it. I can jump a bit. Yeah. I can do many things I can do. So that's it for today. Let's say bye, Liam. Bye.
Bye.
Yep. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe to our English 855 See ya.